Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon TCG Live. First, download the free Pokémon TCG Live app on your preferred device, whether it's a computer or mobile. Next, create a new account or simply log in using your existing Pokémon Trainer Club ID. Once you're in, make sure to complete the interactive tutorial. It's a quick and easy way to grasp the fundamental gameplay mechanics and get comfortable with the interface before diving into real matches. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to build your first deck. Head over to the Deck Manager to customize your starting decks or create new ones from scratch. You'll unlock many new cards as you play matches and complete daily challenges, expanding your collection. When building, try to focus on one or two Pokémon types. This strategy helps create better synergy among your cards, making your deck more consistent and powerful in battles. Let's dive into the core gameplay. Each player begins with a 7-card hand and sets aside 6 prize cards. During your turn, you can attach one energy card to a Pokémon, allowing them to use their powerful attacks. The goal is to knock out your opponent's Pokémon. Every time you knock out an opponent's Pokémon, you take one of your prize cards. The first player to take all 6 prize cards wins the game. To truly master Pokémon TCG Live, make sure to complete your daily quests. These provide valuable in-game currency and card packs, helping you expand your collection quickly. Don't shy away from ranked matches. They're a great way to test your skills, climb the leaderboards, and earn even more rewards. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy battling!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.